surface a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So guys, I'm done washing my utensils. Right now I want now to start wiping the cabinets, the shelves, and also those all containers, the glass jars, just in case there is dust. And also there are some things I need to place them up there, the ones that I'm not using for now, so they need to go up there so that I can just create more space in this lower part. Especially, I don't know if you can see, there are two containers, plastic buckets, colorless of them. I have put water in them. I just realized that this place there is water throughout, so I don't need to store water. So the water that is in those colorless buckets, I'm going to pour it in the toilet. Then I'm going to wash the buckets well, and then I'll store them in the upper shelves of my cabinet so that I can just create space in this small kitchen.
I'm fine with
So guys, I'm now done cleaning my utensils. So I'm going to now wipe the cabinets, the shelves, and everything that is inside. So guys, I'm done putting this rack together. The whole kitchen so that it can be easier to arrange things. Okay,
you go again without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You was being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. To the world that you're the bad when you always being bad. What are you doing here? Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad when you always being bad. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begged me to come out with you. you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.
So guys, I'm done cleaning the whole kitchen and everything is clean now. Everything, including the utensils rack, everything is clean. So I'm going now to give you a look of how everything looks. Okay, so stay tuned. So as you can see, the floor is sparkling clean, and yeah, the racks are clean. The double burner is clean. My dustbin, I've thrown all the garbage away, and yeah, everything is clean now, you guys. Even this part, it's clean, very clean, and I'm so excited. I've changed this one because it was so dirty. It's for wiping my hands when I'm using water in the kitchen. When I need to dry my hands, I use this towel here. And also this part, the utensils are so clean, and I've wiped everything in the pantry. And yes, I'm so excited. And actually this lower part, as you can see, I've tried to maximize the space. I've removed those two buckets and I've placed them up there. Can you see them? Yeah, because they have no use. I've washed everything and I'm so excited. The smell here is just amazing. It's so refreshing. Okay, so yeah.